These are the best gold trading signals on Telegram. They have a 90% win rate and most importantly, they are completely free. In fact, you don't need to pay a monthly subscription, you don't need to pay a one-time fee, and you don't even need to share part of your profits. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to access them. First, I want to show you that what I'm saying is true. So what you're seeing right now is the inside of the Telegram group. This is one of the latest signals that were sent. As you can see, it was a buy signals. You also received 3 different take profit and 1 stop loss. And if we start scrolling down, as you can see, take profit 1 was hit, take profit 2 was hit, and eventually also take profit 3 was hit. And if we go back to trading view, this is the actual trade inside the charts. As you can see, this was the entry point. This first line was take profit 1, this second line was take profit 2, and the last line was take profit 3. And the good things about these specific signals is that since you opened the trade, you were never in drawdown. In fact, as you can see, you immediately went in profit and you stayed in profit for the duration of the entire trade. Now I would like to show you another trade that was sent inside the Telegram group. This specific trade was sent just 2 days ago. As you can see, also in this case, it was a buy trade, so this means that you need to open a long position. You receive 3 different take profits and 1 stop loss, and as you can see, take profit 1 was hit, later take profit 2 was also hit, and finally also take profit 3 was hit. And if we go back on trading view, we can see the actual signals inside the chart. So this was the entry point, this first line was take profit 1, the second line was take profit 2, and finally here we have take profit 3. And as you can see, also in the case of this specific trade, you were never in drawdown. In fact, since the moment you opened the trade, you were in profit and you basically stayed in profit for the entire duration of the trade. Lastly, I would like to show you one more trade that was sent inside the group just yesterday. So this is the trade. As you can see, also in this case, it was a buy trade. You received 3 different take profit and 1 stop loss. And if I start scrolling down, you can see that take profit 1 was hit, take profit 2 was hit, and finally also take profit 3 was hit. And if we go back to trading view, we can see the actual signals inside the charts. So this was the entry point. Shortly after, take profit 1 was hit, later on take profit 2 was hit, and finally also take profit 3 was hit. And also in this case, as you can see, you stayed in profit for the entire duration of the trade and you were never in drawdown. And inside the signals group, you receive between 3 to 5 signals every single day that are similar to this one. Now, I want to be completely honest and transparent with you. Not every single signals hit all 3 take profits. In fact, on average, take profit 1 is hit between 90 to 95% of the time. Take profit 2 is hit between 85 to 90% of the time, and take profit 3 is hit between 80 to 85% of the time. And this is perfectly normal, because the higher the level of the take profit, the more the price need to travel from your entry point till that specific take profit. And so, of course, the probabilities that the take profit get hit get lower. Now, going back to the Telegram channel, I would like to highlight 3 things that differentiate my signals compared to all the others that you can find on the market. So the first one, you can see it here at the top where it says new to the group, watch this video now. In fact, if you click on this pinned message, you're gonna be redirected to this 12 minutes video that I've personally recorded. And this video to me is crucial because it explains you exactly step by step how to use the signals to have the maximum possible profits. In fact, in a lot of other signals group, what happens is that as soon as you join, you're simply left to yourself. You just receive a bunch of signals and you don't really know what to do. Let's say, for example, that a specific take profits get hit. What should you do now? Should you close the entire position? Should you close partial? Should you move your stop loss? You don't have any guidance and you're just left to yourself. Well, inside my signal group, this won't happen, because in this specific tutorial, not only explain you how to use the signals, but explain you how to use the signals based on your specific situation. In fact, inside this video, you will have a step-by-step guide that explains you exactly what to do once every single take profit get hit based on your specific risk appetite and also budget. So let's say, for example, that you are a scalper. Inside this video, you will understand exactly how to use the signals as a scalper. Let's say, for example, example that you are a day trader, inside this video you will receive guide on how to use the signals as a day trader to have the maximum possible profits. And again, as I told you before, to me this type of information are invaluable because they allow you to maximize the amount of profit that you can make following the signals. Now, the second thing that differentiate my signals from all the others is the fact that, as you can see, I share my P&L. In fact, these are the actual screenshot from my trading account. And why this is important? Because it shows you that I take the same exact trades that I share with you. And so this means that if I'm making money, you are also making money, and if I'm losing money, you're also losing money. And this is important because this means that these signals are not random signals that I just send to keep the channel busy, but are the actual trade that I also take on my account and with my money. And so for this reason, I make sure that when I send a signals is a true signals. I actually studied the market, I did my technical analysis, and I'm pretty confident in the signal that I'm about to send. And the third differentiator of my group compared to all the others is connected to this one, because as you can see here, sometimes you might receive this type of messages when I tell you to set the stop loss to break even and close half if you want to hold. And why this is important? Because as I told you before, this signal that I send you are actual setup that I'm taking myself. And so this means that as soon as I open a position, I start monitoring the market and following what price is doing. And as you might know, the market is unpredictable and things can change minutes by minutes. And so if while I'm looking at the chart, I notice that something is changing and maybe I'm not anymore as confident as before on the setup that I just sent you, I immediately tell you to set the stop loss at break even and close half the position so that we can bag some profits and limit our losses. And this is really powerful because it means that by following these signals, you are literally updated in real time based on what is happening on the market, and you're able to pivot based on how the market is acting, contrary to a lot of other groups where you just receive the signals and then if something changes in the market, you just need to wait and look as your trade hit your stop loss and you lose money. Now, if everything that I said so far sounds too good to be true and maybe you don't believe me, I would like to show you another Telegram group that I have where I share all the reviews of the people that are currently using the signals. So this is the Telegram group where you can find all the reviews of the people that are using the signals. In the video description you will also find a link to it so that you can visit it by yourself. You can read each one of these reviews, you can look at the various screenshots, and you can verify that what I'm saying is actually true. And one thing that you might also notice is that here you will find certain people that says that they use the signals as scalpers, while other people use the signals as day trader. And this is possible thanks to the tutorial that I was telling you about before. In fact, if you follow the instruction inside the tutorial, you're gonna be able to use the signals based on your trading style, and you're gonna be able to make the most amount of money without going out of your comfort zone. But again, if you want to read each one of these reviews and take your time, you will find a link to this specific Telegram group inside the video description. So now that I proved you that what I'm saying is true, let me share how you can join this gold signals group completely for free. So the first thing is go on the video description and click on the link that says stackedtrader.com/message me. After you click on that link, you're gonna be redirected to my personal Telegram profile. At this point, you just need to send me a message saying that you want to join the Gold Signal group and also include your country of residence. Because based on the country where you are from, I'm gonna recommend you what is the forex broker that has the best trading condition when it comes to gold. In fact, if you're using a forex broker that have really bad trading condition when it comes to gold, like for example really wide spreads, no matter how good my trading signals are, you still won't be able to make money. So after you open an account with the forex broker that I recommend you, you make a deposit so that you can trade, I'm gonna share with you the link to the Gold Signal group so that you can join and start profiting daily from the markets. There you have it. This is how you join the best gold trading signals group on Telegram completely for free. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, and until next time, happy trades!